Have you just come back from a walk? Are you tired, honey? Did you see any snakes? Really? Did you see any snakes on the way? No snakes. Really? Did Otto go swimming? Otto did go swimming. Yeah. Can you say hello to everyone back in New Zealand? Can you wave to them? Can Ashley say hello? Good girl. Speaking of waving, were you waving to everyone on the walk? Ashley? No comment, eh? Who's there? You say hello. Oh, really? Really? Would you like Mum to go get you some dinner? Okay. Bye-bye, sweetie. Bye-bye. Can you say ta-ta? Ta-ta. No, not today. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.